All right, y'all, 11 o'clock. First deal of the day, I'm about to go drop off these cherry size 8.5. Paid $260 on these. And then I'm dropping off to the same person these Yeezy bone slides right here. Size 9. So we're dropping these off. I paid $160 on those and then $260 on these. So what is that, $420? And I'm selling them both for $460. So a quick 40. Let's go drop these off. It's 8.5 these and then 9 these, right?
Yeah.
Check them out. You're good here. Everything I sell, I'm sure Selena told you.
Yeah.
That's all I do. 100% authentic. Yeah.
She told me to see it.
I remember when I seen you at the party, I seen y'all was jade up and stuff. So I was like, yeah, I know, I'm sure that they be messing with the.
Yeah, I'll take them.
It's good. Yeah, I figured 460. It's all good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 50, 5, 8. You all good, bro.
All right.
Appreciate you, man. Stay tapped in. First deal done. Let's get to that next one. All right, y'all. I don't know if I told y'all before, but most of my deals are local. So these are pairs that people have hit me up for right now on Instagram. So we're about to go drop all these pairs off. Let's go. All right, y'all. We're here to drop off these little mint greens. Cop these. Y'all see me cop these at KOBEYS Swap Meet. Super clean pair. Size 5 to my boy for $150. So I'm only making $25 on these. He's constantly buying off me. So, you know, my super loyal customers that are always, you know, putting money in my pockets, I try to throw him a lob every now and then. I have him at $160 on my page, but like I said, he's taking these for $150. So another $25 profit. Let's get it. What's good with it, Pop? Oh, yeah, I wasn't even tripping, bro, because like I said, it's damn near closer.
How they looking?
Clean for the ladies, especially.
Put out there. Easy. You got change? You got 50 on you?
Yeah. Hey, what you finna be on today?
Shit, chilling, really. Mobbing. Shit.
It's all good. 200, getting 50 change. Let's go to the next meetup. All right, y'all, we're at the next meetup. We're actually going into Barnes & Noble's to drop this pair off. Size 11 and the Yeezy 350 bones right here going out. Let's get it. What's good, bro? Super busy today or what?
Hella busy. You know, the people are just trying to ask for the UNC 5 stuff.
Appreciate you, brother.
That's what I'm
Yeah,
making.
hey, be smooth, man. Like I said, do what you want. Hey, get your bread.
Thank you, my man. Hey,
all right, man. You too, bro. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320. Y'all see me pay $270 on those yesterday at KOBEYS. So a quick little $50 profit. Let's go to the next meetup. All right, y'all, we're at the next meetup. It's for these iron ores right here. You don't see these too often. Pretty nice shoe. Someone been asking for these for a minute. Size 9.5 woman. I paid $125 and they already Venmo'd me $160 for them. That was the price we agreed upon. I'll show the little screenshot of the payment right here. Now let's go get her these shoes. They fit good? They fit good? Who'd you see had them on?
My friend Lauren. Oh, they're so cute.
They are. So this was supposed to be my next meetup. I brought these with me, but I'm actually meeting this person tomorrow. But they sent the full payment for it. I'll post a little screenshot of me receiving the payment. They were supposed to pick up a size 6 Panda. I bought these, I believe, for $150, I want to say. Sold these for $200, so $50 on those. And then most of my preschool and toddler, I try to get it to where I can sell it for $100. So I picked this size 11C up at my KOBEYS video. I don't know if you'll see it or not before I post this one. I'm sure you will. But I paid $70 or $75. So another $25 to $30 there. Yeah, just for this 2 pair. So this pair will get dropped to him tomorrow. I believe I have a couple more meetups lined up. All right, y'all, these are the pairs we grabbed from KOBEYS yesterday. Your boy got to get it organized on this rack. Hopefully they all fit. Let me see. So I just sold these right here. The Panda size 13.5C for $100. I'm supposed to meet with her later on tonight. She went ahead and sent the Zelle. I'm going to show a little screenshot of the Zelle right here. And then you guys will see me when I meet her to drop those off. Yeah, we're just waiting for some more deals to get locked in. And I'll take you guys to the next one. Another 2-piece going out. Someone grabbing 2 Yeezy slides, the resin and the Onyx. I'll see you out that meetup. What's going on, brother? Oh boy, got a pair on.
Yeah.
Are these for you?
Brother, yeah.
Okay.
And then the Yeezys are probably for me too.
Okay. So you grab them both and check them out. Bro, I wear mine. Mine are beat. I wear because I wear them every single day.
Yeah.
They're hella comfortable. These are resin ones. Those are resin. Check 'em out.
Oh, what's it called? I wanted the Yeezy shoes, bro.
Oh, the shoes?
Yeah. My fault.
Oh no, you're good. So you wanted the Onyxes, right?
Yeah, Onyx.
But I'm literally 2 minutes away. I'll smash right back. Is that fine?
Yeah, it's all
Okay. Oh, he was actually supposed to grab the Onyx Yeezy Slide and the Bone Yeezy 350 right here, but he's a nice dude. He waited for me. I smashed back to the house and grabbed these. So let me head back to the meet. That was my fault, bro. It's because I had all the Yeezys next to each other. These, right? Yeah, 10. 320 and 220, so 540. I just got it, bro.
All right,
I appreciate you, brother. Sorry about that again, man. You have a blessed day.
You too, brother.
Yep. But yeah, we sold them 350 bones for 320. Y'all see me grab those for 270, so that's 50 on those. And then the Onyx slides, I got 220 for those, and I paid 180 on those. So that's a quick 90 for those two pairs. And yeah, hopefully we get some more deals locked in. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So now I'm headed to drop off this size 13.5 Panda that I mentioned someone had sent the money for earlier. So we're just gonna go drop these off real quick. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. 13.5, right?
Yeah.
You got here kind of quick. Kia gang.
Car.
That's enough. All right, y'all just see me drop off that Panda. I picked those up for 75, I believe. So I sold them for 100. So that's another 25 profit. And now we about to go drop off this size 9.5 gray gum right here. These are super nice. I paid 150 on these, I believe, and we sold them. Payment was already sent. Again, I'll show screenshots just to show payment is sent. This even comes with receipt. I'll take that out. But I sold these for $200, so 50 profit. Yeah, let's go drop these off. That's 9.5, man. These are clean. Let's go drop them off. All right, we here, man. Let's go drop off this fire pair right here. Let's get it. How you been, man? Good. Yeah, man. Someone hit me for these after, bro. This pair's fire. That gun bottom.
Yeah.
Orange label. They got like 4 in this pack, I think. This is my favorite one for sure. Got the black pair and they got the white pair. But this is by far the best one.
I appreciate it, man.
All good, brother. I appreciate you. So I don't know if y'all can tell from the video, but it is dark out right now. But, you know, I'm always working. Last deal of the day we have locked in. I'm supposed to go drop this pair off, this reverse flu games. We're supposed to go drop these off. Hopefully he messages back. But these ones I paid 90 on, and I'm selling these for 140, which is retail. So let's go get this bread. How you doing, boss? Good, man. Just chilling. Hey, you supposed to know how to get the kids. Oh, that's why you grabbing them?
Oh yeah, it's for my lady.
Yeah, no, but the fact that you have the matching pair.
yeah, it's for my lady. So
5.5 come with the extra laces.
For sure.
5.5, right? Yep. I sent you the number so you can just
I got it right here.
copy and paste, or I don't know if you texted or.
Yeah, just sent it right now, brother. So.
Yeah, 140. Appreciate you, bro.
No problem, man. And I'm gonna be tapping in with you.
Yeah, it's all good.
Bro.
Yep. So y'all see the Apple Pay right there. 140. Once again, we got those for 90, so it's another quick $50 profit. That may be the last deal of the night because it's getting super late. But if there's any more updates, I'll let you know. But if not, I'm gonna close this vid out. All right, y'all can see it's dark out, but somebody tapped in for this pair. And like I said, we always working, so I'm about to go drop off this 8.5 Carmine for 240 right now. Pay 190, so let's go make this quick 50. Let's get it. Same day, let's go. Appreciate you meeting tonight, man.
Appreciate you delivering, bro.
No, it's all good. You always be sliding to me.
Oh, yeah.
The thing you hit me because like...
Are they new or no?
No, they're brand new.
Oh, cool. Hell yeah. You
'Cause
said, what was it, 240?
Yeah. It's all here now. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. So 240. That should be the last meetup of the night. Let me close this video out. So what's good, y'all? I'm closing this video out the next day. My last deal was done super late last night. So I said just, hey, I'll shoot it tomorrow, which is today. So yeah, definitely a great Sunday for me. So I believe I sold 13 total pairs in this video. It was all on one day, which was yesterday, Sunday. 11 pairs actually got to the customers. And then there was those 2 pairs that the guy had sent the full payment for. It was a size 6 Panda and a size 11C Panda. So yeah, 13 total pairs. So the profit on all those pairs came up to $490. So hey, right around the same as last video, but this time we only had to sell 13 pairs. So it was definitely a great day. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. You know, riding around with your boy on a Sunday, making some sales. I'm trying to stay consistent with this content for you guys, especially with all the support and love y'all been showing in all my videos. So I've been brainstorming, you know, trying to come up with a bunch of dope different content that I could drop for you guys. And yeah, please Please follow me on Instagram at DreamChaserKicks. That is where I have all my sneakers posted. That's where you can hit me to get you or a loved one laced up. So follow me there. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. We closing in on 1K subs. Who knows, by the time this video posted, we could already hit 1K subs. I appreciate all you guys, and you guys have a blessed day. Deuces.